Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain the drawback of Rutherford's model of atom. After his alpha particle scattering experiment, Rutherford proposed a model for an atom. But there is a drawback. Rutherford's model explains the properties of atoms very well, but it is failed to explain the stability of atom. According to Rutherford, total positive charge and mass of atom is located at the center of the atom called nucleus, and electrons revolve around the nucleus in circular paths like a planet around the sun. But we know that any particle moving along a circular path have an accelerated motion. So here electrons have accelerated motion. We can see in an atom electrons revolve around the nucleus with accelerated motion. Electromagnetic theory of physics. Electromagnetic theory of physics tells us that when a charged particle performs accelerated motion, it will lose its energy gradually. It means the electrons revolving around the nucleus in an atom loses its energy gradually due to decrease in the energy of the revolving electron. The velocity of the electron around the nucleus decreases gradually, will decrease gradually. The energy of electron in an atom is represented by half mv squared, that is kinetic energy. Here half m is a constant, so V squared is directly proportional to kinetic energy of electron, and hence if there is a decrease in the kinetic energy, that is energy of electron, the velocity of revolving electron should be decreased. And due to this decrease in the velocity, the force of attraction of nucleus on the revolving electrons will increase, and electron starts moving in a spiral path, and a time will come when electron falls in the nucleus and atom become collapse. But we find that it is no phenomena, not a phenomena. Electrons exist. So the Rutherford's statement that electrons revolve around the nucleus in a circular path is not correct. Niels Bohr explains the stability of atom. According to Bohr, electrons revolve in fixed energy levels called orbits. each orbit in an atom around the nucleus has a fixed amount of energy, and the electrons having energy equivalent to a particular energy level, that is orbit, will revolve in that orbit around the nucleus in an atom. Since electrons revolve around the nucleus in an atom in fixed energy level, so it does not radiate. It does not radiate energy. And hence there is no change in the velocity of electrons. And atoms exist independently, or atom becomes stable according to Bohr's theory. Thank you. In next video I will discuss about the model of atom given by Niels Bohr.